Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gambit TV. In today's video, I am going to give you 4 different chess reps in Vienna Game. You need to see. Otherwise, you cannot improve your chess talent. Okay. This is part 3 video of Vienna Game. Okay. This is part 3 video. Rep 1 in Vienna Game. First one is e4, king's pawn opening, e5, king's pawn opening, knight c3. This knight is developed. Then black knight comes to here. Then bishop go to c4, then bishop come to here on c5. Okay, we will see how to handle this particular chess match. Queen go to there in g4. Now you can see here, this queen attack this one, this pawn. In the same time here, this bishop attack here. If knight come to here or here, we will see how to handle this match. Black queen come to here on f6. Now you can see the brilliant move he made. Black made this queen attack this one and support to this bishop. If knight come to here and cut the phony, or come here and cut the phony and wrap the rook and king, we will see how to handle this match. White knight go to d5. Now this d5 knight attack the queen. Okay, you can see so many tricky idea here. This knight attack this one or this one. If queen got this one, he go back like this. Okay, we will see. He take and check. Now he need to move. Okay, here king go to there. This is the big blunder he made. That's why this game is silly. Attack to black. Queen take the knight go to here on h3. The 7th move. Now queen is attacked by the knight, and bishop attack this knight attack this queen. Okay, we will see. Then he push the phony and attack to the queen. We will see this the Vienna Game. Stanley variation. Minor misses Gambit. Okay, this bishop attack this one. In the same time, this knight attack this one. We will see how to handle this match. White playing amazingly. Cut the queen by the knight. Then bishop take the queen. Then knight take the bishop. Total this game, white win because white has so many pieces. Black has less pieces. That's why if white play deeply and smartly and correctly, white win easily this match. Okay, we can go to the second rep in Vienna Game, part 3 video. Okay, let's go to the second rep. Hello, chess fans and chess lovers, welcome back to the Gambit TV. This is rep number 2 in Vienna Game, Stanley variation. Let's go to the moves. Okay, first one is e4, then e5, knight c3, knight c6, bishop c4, bishop c5. We will see how to handle this match. White push his queen to here in g4. Then he push the queen to f6. The knight go to there and attack the queen. You can see here. I am going to teach you this knight attack this one or this one and fork the king and rook. Otherwise, this knight go here and if cut like this and cut again. Okay. We will see how to handle this particular chess game. He take the phone and check. Then king go to there. Then bishop come to here. Then knight go to there. Now black queen is wrapped. I think we will see. I think if he take like this, then got the queen. If king go to there, queen. Okay, you can see here. If queen go to here, mistake. If make a check, or if cut the phony. Okay, that's why this game is really win. What? Okay, we can go to the third chess reps in Vienna Game part 3 video. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gambit TV. In today's video, this is rep number 3, part 3 video, Vienna Game, Stanley Max-Lang defense. This is a different defense. Okay. This is part 3 video. Let's go to the move, the third rep in Vienna Game. Okay, first move is e4, e5, knight c3, knight c6, bishop c4, then bishop come to c5, then knight go to d5. If knight comes to here, then we will see Knight goes f6 and beautiful check. Now black check with no black. Cut the knight. Why the queen? Then he pushed the pawn. This is a big blunder he made. That's why easily win the game like with checkmate in 6th move. Okay, let's go to the last rep, 4th rep in part 3 video, Vienna Game. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV. In today's video, I am going to give you 4th rep in Vienna Game part 3 video. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is e4, king's pawn opening, e5, king's pawn opening, knight c3, develop the knight, knight c6, develop the black knight, then bishop go to c4, okay, then knight come to a5, this is the big blunder he made, then 4th move of white, bishop cross f7 and check. If king take the bishop, oh, he cannot take, he did not take, he pushed the king to e7, then kept the knight, rook take the bishop, then knight go to here on d5 and brilliant check. Then king come to here d6. Now he puts the pawn on d4. Then he take the pawn, and we will see how to handle this much white. White push the bishop to f4 and beautiful check. You can see how to white win the game. White gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same pieces, but easily win the game. What? Okay, that's it today. Live rep, Vienna Game rep. We will see another video after tomorrow. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay.